sorry. I'm really busy. No, it's me. I sneezed. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Home, man. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Golden boy, him. So, with another video, yo. And if you're new to this channel, please make the subscribe button and the notification button to be notified every time I drop, yo. Hey, yo, today is different. Today is a little different, man. So the boy gonna be a sneezing prank, you know what I'm saying? So like, I haven't been doing this kind of pranks in a minute. So like, as you guys know, man, I'm gonna pretend like I'm sneezing on people so that they can get wrong with me. Cause that's what you guys love, you know what I'm saying? And if you're new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. And yeah, guys, before we go straight to the video, thank you so much for 350 YouTube subscribers, baby. It's around 1K for me. Yes, let's go. Alright, I'm sorry. Do you know where's the library? It's not like study hall, something like that, near the library.
Study hall, 24 hours.
Yeah.
It's down there, down the stairs. There's a class here.
Class?
Go down these stairs.
Yeah.
To join up. Kuni class buddy.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me for this. I'm a little bit sick. What's your name? Your name? What's this? Thank you. What did you say it was? The glass. I don't see the
Down the stairs, yeah.
these glasses.
Go down the stairs and keep walking. There's like a 24 study hall to the side.
Okay. Thank you. Near the stairs, ne?
Down the stairs and then walk straight and look this side.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. So, possess. Yeah. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. You good? Good, yeah. Thank you. I'm a little bit sick, boy. I'm sorry. Excuse me.
You sprayed something.
No, it's me. I sneezed. I just have a little shit. I'm sorry. How are you? I'm fine. I'm sorry I sneezed at you. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to. I'm joking. I split something actually. It was just. Guys, do you know where Camps is? Camps. Camps.
I think if you come in this side, just when you go out, you let the building up. Then ngapakathi up
Yeah.
and go out the other side. It's the building on the right. I think.
Is there an entrance there?
I think so, yes. There is. Okay.
Thank you. Sorry. I know this.
Don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
I'm sorry. Damn, bro, I don't think it worked, bro. I don't think it worked. I don't think it fucking worked. That's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, to 1K, baby. Yes, thank you guys for watching the video till the end. I love you guys so much. Yes, let's get this 1K. Let's go, bro.